Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the Alight Motion project you want to share. This is the fastest path. Tap the three-dot menu, select Export, and pick XML Export. This is the only reliable interchange format. Name the file clearly and choose to include media if the recipient needs assets. Otherwise, you'll send XML only. Once done, save to a known folder or upload to cloud storage so you can grab a share link right away. Once the XML is exported, open your files or file manager and navigate to the saved location. Look for the XML file name you created. If there are multiple files or large assets, compress them into a zip to prevent transfer errors and to keep structure intact. Then attach the XML or zip to an email or upload to Google Drive and copy the share link. Make sure permissions allow the receiver to download the file. You finish by confirming the recipient knows how to import. They open Alight Motion, choose Import, and select the XML file. The project should reconstruct. If clips come up missing, make sure you also shared the media folder or tell them to relink assets manually. If the XML fails, re-export with a simple file name, no special characters, and try compressing before sending. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most transfer corruption issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.